In object mode, press Shift A and select Metaball Ball. Press Shift D to duplicate it, then move it to where you want to add it to the overall volume. There are also a few other Metaball primitives to choose from. You can press S to change their size, R to rotate, and of course G to move. When you're happy with the blockout, click on the main shape instead of the individual circles. Right-click and choose Convert to Mesh. In Edit mode, select all and go to Mesh Symmetrize. You may have to switch the symmetrized direction. Then press M and choose By Distance, so you can clean up the overlapping vertices by reducing the merge distance. Now you have a symmetrical base mesh that you can sculpt on.